Welcome back to our wellness channel, where we strive to bring you the best information for a healthy lifestyle. Today we're going to talk about intermittent fasting. Sit back, relax. By the end of this video, you'll uncover what it is, how to do it, benefits, and who should avoid it. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting, is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and not eating, fasting. Unlike regular diets, which focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting is more about when you eat. It doesn't tell you to avoid certain foods, it simply organizes your meal timing. The most popular forms of intermittent fasting include 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window like noon to 8 p.m. 5:2 method, eating normally for 5 days, but drastically reducing calorie intake 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Eat Stop Eat, fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. Alternate day fasting, eating one day, then fasting the next. How to do intermittent fasting. Pick a method, start with something simple like the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals within an 8-hour period. Gradual approach, if you've never fasted before, ease into it. Start by shortening your eating window little by little. Stay hydrated, drink water, tea, or coffee, without sugar or cream, during the fasting period to stay hydrated. Eat nutritious meals. During your eating window, make sure you consume balanced meals rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Here are 10 health benefits of intermittent fasting. 1. Weight loss and fat loss. Intermittent fasting helps your body burn fat more efficiently because, during the fasting period, your insulin levels drop, signaling your body to use stored fat for energy. 2. Improved metabolic health. It can improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body uses glucose, sugar, more effectively, lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes. 3. Boosts heart health. Intermittent fasting may lower your risk factors for heart disease by reducing cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure levels. 4. Supports brain function. Fasting increases the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is linked to improved cognitive function and may protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 5. May help prevent cancer. Some studies suggest that fasting can slow the growth of cancer cells and may enhance the body's ability to fight off cancer, although more human research is needed. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss an update. 6. Reduces inflammation. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation, which is a key driver of many chronic diseases like arthritis, asthma, and heart disease. 7. Increases longevity. Animal studies suggest that intermittent fasting could extend lifespan by improving metabolic health and reducing the risk of age-related diseases. 8. Boosts growth hormone production. Fasting stimulates the production of human growth hormone, HGH, which plays a role in fat loss, muscle gain, and overall vitality. 9. Improves gut health. Giving your digestive system a break through fasting can enhance gut health and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a key role in digestion and immunity. 10. Enhances cellular repair. During fasting, your body initiates a process called autophagy, where cells remove damaged components. This process helps with cellular repair and might protect against diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Who should avoid intermittent fasting? While intermittent fasting has many benefits, it's not for everyone. Certain groups should be cautious or avoid it entirely. People with eating disorders. Fasting can trigger unhealthy eating patterns in individuals who have struggled with eating disorders. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, nutritional needs are higher during pregnancy and breastfeeding, so fasting could deprive the body of essential nutrients. People with diabetes or blood sugar issues. If you have diabetes, especially if you take insulin, fasting can cause dangerously low blood sugar levels. Always consult with a doctor before trying it. Individuals with certain medical conditions. If you have a chronic illness or are on medication, speak with a healthcare professional before starting intermittent fasting. Athletes or people with physically demanding jobs. If you have high energy needs, fasting might not be the best option for you since you need a steady intake of calories to support your activity levels. In summary, intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for weight loss, metabolic health, brain function, and more, but it's important to approach it carefully. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and for some, it might not be appropriate. If you're thinking about starting intermittent fasting, consider talking to a healthcare provider to ensure it's safe for you. Remember, good health is the greatest treasure one can possess. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.